we are at Unplug. Unplug, unplug, unplug. So just a bit of a background for our channel. The reason why it's called Buddy Adventures is because Buddy is the name of Jabar's Yamaha Sniper 150. So we always take the motorcycle every time we travel. We've already traveled to Iloilo, and we've also brought this to our home place in Mindanao. So we decided to make our channel just to document our travels and to also share with you our experiences. So while I'm waiting for Jabar because he's in the bathroom, let me tell you that we did not bring Buddy this time because he's in the motor shop. He's at AMBC garage, and what we brought is the NMAX of Jabar's friend Johnny. So thank you for letting us borrow your NMAX. Thank you. Just a bit of some thoughts about the name of the place, Unplug, which I think is very right for the place. So it's good that it's called Unplug. How you can reconnect to the nature, you can reconnect to other people by talking and not using the phone, but I'm using the phone right now to take my video.